the day I almost crashed my drone. So on this windy, rainy day, I decided to take my drone off the beach and go towards that mountain you see. And then the wind is pushing me back because I'm trying to fly into the wind. I tried a couple of times to push forward, but I could not. So then I decided to turn right, perpendicular to the wind, and head towards the other side. And you can see on the rotor blades on the left side, they're trying to cave in because of the strong wind from the left, and the raindrops on my screen is getting washed away because of strong wind. And as I get closer, the raindrop clears off. 3, 2, 1. I suddenly lose control of the drone. I had no idea what to do. I let go of the controls. I let it stabilize itself. And the next thing I do, I decided to turn back immediately back to where it took off. And you can see in the backdrop, that's my van, the white van. And while I'm doing that, I get a good view of the mountains and the highway with the cars. But I think that's the best thing I could do, is to fly smart, stay safe, and bring the drone back as soon as possible.